Hello friends, now we will see links in a HTML. There is a question in our mind that why we are using the links in a HTML file and how we will create it. Generally, links refers to one web page with the another web page. We can connect one web page with another web page by using links. To create a link in a HTML, anchor tag is used. With anchor tags, we are using href attribute which refers to the link address. Now, in your mind there is question: how many types of the links? Generally, many of the types are available in the HTML, but the mainly two types of links are available, generally used. That one is absolute link and another one is relative link. Now, what is absolute link? Absolute link is a link which uses the URL of a web page, just like google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, etc. In many sites, you have seen that there is a symbol of Facebook or YouTube or Google Plus, and it is used as a link. That is that link is called an absolute link, which refers to a specific URL link. To create a link, we have to use anchor tag A, then href, and then its address like google.com, and then its name like Google. Remember one thing: if you only write this link and nothing write here, then nothing is shown in the web page. Like I will show you its demo. By running this program, I got this output. Like this is a paragraph and which you will find from Google. Yeah, it is a link. When you click on it, the Google web page is shown. But now I will change in my program that I will nothing write here. Then what will be the output? You cannot find any link here. As a part, you have seen written Google here. But if I do not write here anything, then no one will display here. For that purpose, we should write here anything which you want to display on your web page, like Google. Then, what is relative link? The another one type is relative link. What is relative link? As you have seen, your web page is too large, and you have already you want to refer one web page with another web page. Like I have created a table web page, list web page, etc, etc, and I want to refer that web page on my current web page. Then what should I have to do? Then I have to use a anchor href and list.html. Remember one thing: this file is here you should write a file name which is available in the current directory. We have to assume that it is in our current directory, and it must be in our current directory. Like if I have a folder named html, then in that folder I have this file list.html and link.html. Both the file are already included in that current folder. And then list. Like I remember, I will change one thing in this. I will show you its output first. Look, relative link list is a link. I will click on it. Then this web page is showing me here. If remember here, what is the difference? If I will type here target is equal to underscore blank, then my output will be shown in the new page. The previous output was in the same page. I will see its output, but now I will click on it and my output will be seen in the next tab. You can see it is my main page and this is the link page. Clear? Now we will see now how to add image in the HTML. To add an image in the HTML, what should I have to do? Remember one thing first, clear in your mind that the image must be in your current directory. Like in C drive, I have saved my image Christmas. That is in the same directory when I have saved the link.html. It must be remember in your mind that the image must be as in the same directory where you have saved your HTML file. Clear? Now for image we have to use tag image img src is equal to image name, that is christmas.jpg. I have written short chri.jpg. Clear? Now I will show you its output. Look, the image is shown here. It is an image. Now in your mind there is a question. I have already told you that many website you have seen that the symbol of Facebook, and whenever you will click on it you can directly connect with the Facebook. Then they are using image as a link. Now how we can use image as a link, I will show you now here. First, in your mind, first we have used anchor, that is used for the link. Href is equal to, what should we have to, table.html. This file is already in my current directory, that is table.html. And then image source, image src is equal to christmas.jpg. Remember one thing, in above example we have seen href is equal to table.html, and then we are typing here /a, but here we are using image, so we type so we use image tag here, that is image src is equal to chri.jpg /a. Then now I will save it and run for you that image as a link. Whenever I click on this image, look, this image does not have link, but this image has a link. Whenever I click on it, it will show me this output. Clear? Now the last one is mail to link. Now there is a question, while whenever you want to directly create mail to link, what should you have to do? You have to use anchor tab, then href, then you have to use this keyword mail to, then colon, use colon is must here, and you have to type the email address and whatever message you want to print here. Send mail, I have printed send mail, and /a/anchor. Clear? Now I will show you its output. Look, mail to link is created here, send mail link is created. Whenever I click on it, you can see the message in the taskbar. Look, concentrate on this side, mail to and dhruvinsha16@gmail.com. You can see here part. Whenever a cursor is moved here. Clear? Look once again. You can see here dhruvinsha16@gmail.com, mail to left hand side. Thank you.